And quantum physics shows without a shadow of a doubt that gravity does not exist and it is not real. And what we think is the reason gravity occurs through general relativity is just not true. Okay, the science says that, not me. And also, what we think is gravity is actually just quantumly entangled particles, which are stitched together in a woven fabric of cosmos and interacting with each other on a gigantic weave, right? Because it's consciousness and knows how to do these things to form the illusion and then continue the system. It's nuts. Yeah, it really is nuts. When you start digging deep into quantum mechanics like I do, woo! Did you know that your brain, your neurons and things creates, I think it's 11 dimensions of information processing capabilities, which are obviously not stored in your brain, right? It's just theoretical. It's just creating dimensions of space for knowledge retrieval and storage data system, right? Your neural network is just like, wow, doing crazy things that we never knew was possible. Imagine how to explain this. I take information, right, in my brain, and I don't use it that often. So I'm going to shelve it. I'm going to store it away in like the high top shelf bookshelf in a library. I might even store it on the 12th floor of my internal brain library. So I know a lot of stuff, right? I got a lot of books worth of knowledge in my head. So because I don't use that conversation in average, I don't use that knowledge in average conversation. I'm smart, but I talk quick and make mistakes like any other normal human being. So anyway, because I don't use this information regularly, my brain stores it away, and when it needs to retrieve it, it accesses that dimension to retrieve that knowledge, comes out my mouth and puts it away after use. That's mathematically proven, right? Topographical geometry proves that to be true. And let me tell you something about maths. Maths is real. And maths is linked to physics. If there is an algorithm that proves something to work, that's real, right? It's just real. Like geometry, people want to talk about sacred geometry. Mate, go Google positive geometry, because that's real physics. And that's even more mind-blowing than what people think sacred geometry is.